Alright guys, welcome back. So in this video, we have some more Guess Who albums. But this time, they're the mwave copies, so they'll have a signed poster inside. So let's get right into it. The versions here, oops, won't matter too much because the posters are the same for all of them. Let's see. Well, let's go right for it. All right, so first our photo cards. We got Yuna. Why does that feel so? Oh, there's another one there. Oh, okay, so we got a double. Cool. We got two Yunas. We didn't have that one. And a Yeji we needed. So then we just have the stickers and such, which we'll leave there. But nice. We got Ryujin. Yeah, I guess we'll just leave that there. And then go right into the next one. Come on, there we go. This will give me so much trouble. There we go. Okay. There we got those. So we did need this Ryujin. We didn't need this Leah. Let's see who we get for our poster. Awesome. We got Yeji. Once again, we'll just slide this stuff right back in. And we'll move on to the last one here. There's that. Oh, I see Leah again. So once again, I was done with Leah, so we don't need her. But we also got a Yeji we needed, which is awesome. Let's get back to that page. Where'd it go? Hello. Oh, there we go. So lastly, we got Yuna. So that's awesome. We got 3 good ones. So thanks guys for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.